day. Please introduce me yourself.
Good day, sir. I'm Aisa Lapaisa, 25 years old, single, at living Purok 6, Bulanao, Tabuk, Kalinga. I have three brothers, and I'm a fourth child in this family. I'm a graduate of grade law.
Okay, do you have experience abroad?
No, sir, but I'm working in the Philippines as a nanny, almost 5 years, 2017 to 2021. As a cooking, cleaning, all around in this house, and I try a multi-level marketing in Manila, 2022 to 2025, sir.
Okay, in your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I'm secure the safety and real sick, I will check the temperature, sir, and I will call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I'm honest and trustworthy, especially I'm responsible.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have a surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain foods?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to go abroad, another experience with me, and especially I help my family to financially.
Okay, if you get hired, who will take care of 12 children?
I don't have children, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I focus my work, and after my work, I will call my family and my friends.
Okay, what time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
Especially, I will sleep 10 p.m. and I woke up 5 a.m. in the morning.
Are you the one who does the cooking and do market at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
More patient and kindness, sir.
Do you accept no off days but to be paid instead by employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese foods?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am and sir. I hope you select me as your helper. I promise I will do my best to serve your whole families.